Open hatch, running light on, and right turn signal. Left turn signal. It is a triple LED tailgate light got installed just behind the hatch and it's on the rear bumper. Otherwise, I'm gonna go inside behind the rear fender. To do it, you need to remove the tail light and also a few screws. There is a opening for you to run the wire inside the car, which is there is a rubber plug just right behind the tail light assembly. So remove the plug, drill a hole, and push the wire through that hole, and the wire gonna go inside the car. See, the wire gonna go just right behind the tail light. See, the plug just like a small plug, very thin, drill holes, and run the wire through it. And the main things are, I need to do a few taps into the running light and turn signal lights, and then just run the wires through the plugs inside the car and connect those wires to the triple LED white with the color coded AC. It's going inside already there, just right behind the tailgate and bottom of the spare tire. So they are color coded. Black is negative, red is reverse light, white is running light, and green is brake light, and yellow is turn signal light. So I already connect all of them. And I use a zip tie to secure it into the frame. That's it. I'm going to do the same thing for the right side also. Do a tap for the right turn signals and run the wire to the rubber plugs inside of the vehicles and run it along the rear, going to the left side. So it's gonna be just behind the battery. As you can see, this is my negative. So this is negative right there. So this is a negative wire. I run this from the left side to the right along the rear bumpers here. So light on when the hatch is closed. It's covered about like almost 2/3 of the light.